Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Ever wonder why some people just seem destined for wealth? It's not luck or family money, it's about habits and mindset. Today we'll break down the key signs that predict who will build real wealth and how you can start adopting them. Let's dive into the first sign. The wealthy think long-term. They sacrifice short-term pleasures for future gains, focusing on financial independence and big-picture goals. While others chase instant gratification, future millionaires invest time and money for rewards years down the line. Wealthy people control their money. They budget, track, and invest every dollar with intention. They know exactly where their money goes and make it work for them, not the other way around. This discipline frees up cash to invest and grow wealth over time. Discipline isn't glamorous. It's about sticking to routines and making smart choices daily. Wealth is built through small, consistent actions, not one-off heroic efforts. The future rich show up, put in the work, and let habits compound. Lifelong learning is a must. The wealthy read, take courses, and seek out new skills constantly. They invest in their minds, knowing knowledge is their greatest asset. While others waste time, they're gaining an edge. They surround themselves with people who challenge and inspire them. Networking isn't about collecting contacts. It's about building real relationships with those ahead of them. One good mentor can save years of mistakes. Wealthy people take full responsibility for their outcomes. They don't blame circumstances. They ask, what can I learn and do better? This mindset keeps them in control and always moving forward. They avoid bad debt like the plague, only borrowing for assets that grow in value. Consumer debt is seen as a trap. They pay it off fast and never let it linger. They reinvest earnings relentlessly, letting compound interest work its magic. Every dollar earned is put back to work, creating a snowball effect. Over time, this is how fortunes are built. Delayed gratification is their superpower. They say no to small rewards now for bigger ones later. This self-control is what separates the wealthy from the impulsive. They always live below their means, no matter their income. Instead of spending more as they earn more, they invest the difference. This gap is the engine of wealth. Multiple income streams are a must. They don't rely on one job or business. They build safety nets through side hustles, investments, and more. This resilience accelerates their wealth. The truly wealthy don't flaunt it. They avoid lifestyle creep and focus on growing assets, not impressing others. Quiet confidence beats flashy spending every time. They buy for value, not price, investing in quality tools, education, and assets that pay off long-term. Every purchase is seen as an investment, not just an expense. Adaptability is key. They're willing to pivot, learn, and change course when needed. They don't cling to failing ideas. They move on and seize new opportunities. Flexibility keeps them ahead in a changing world. They believe opportunity is everywhere and celebrate others' success. This abundance mindset attracts more opportunities and partnerships. Scarcity thinking holds people back. Abundance thinking propels them forward. These signs aren't just for others. You can build them too. Start small. Review your finances, learn something new, reach out to a mentor, and shift your mindset. Wealth is built on daily choices and habits. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more practical wealth building tips. Thanks for watching. Your journey to wealth starts now.